Hi guys, welcome back to Arduino world. So before we go into the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. In this video, we are going to see how to build a collision detector. Okay, let's see the materials. We need Arduino, or Arduino, a breadboard, buzzer, a distance sensor HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor. I have given the link in description, and 2 LEDs. First let's see how to connect the distance sensor. So let's connect the VCC pin on Arduino. The GND pin to the GND pin on Arduino. The trick pin to pin 9 on Arduino. And the echo pin to the pin 10 on Arduino. So I'm connecting the positive pin of buzzer to the left side on the breadboard and the negative pin to the right side. So the positive goes to the pin 11 on Arduino. And the negative goes to the GND pin on Arduino. So I'm connecting the positive pin of LED to the right and the negative to the left. I'm doing as so for both the LEDs. As we have only 3 GND pins on Arduino, we have already used 2, so I'm using the right side lane because it passes the current vertically. So I'm using it as the common GND pin. So the positive of red LED goes to pin 12 on Arduino. The negative to the common GND pin, negative pin of white to the common GND pin, and the positive pin of white to pin 13 on Arduino. So I'm connecting the common GND pin to the GND on Arduino. So what about the distance sensor? The trick pin gives out the ultrasonic rays which hits on the object and returns, and the echo pin catches the ultrasonic rays and sends it to the Arduino. The Arduino changes the data and sends it to the buzzer and the LEDs. So yeah, let's test it. Let's check the code.